Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important topic of HTML canvas, that is alignment. Prior to this session also, we discussed about the text alignment where we talked about the text baseline property. In this session, we will talk about text align property. So the difference between text align and text baseline is that text baseline property is mainly used to align the text vertically, right? Whereas the property that we are going to discuss today, which is text align, is used to align the text horizontally. Clear? So this is the difference. So by the end of this session, we will be able to understand what is text align method, what is text align property, how to use it, what all possible values we can align. We can use to align the text horizontally. Okay, so yeah, now I think we are good to start, but just before that I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. For time being, we are just focusing on the text align method, but prior to that you should know what is canvas and all those prerequisites method of canvas, because we are going to use various method here, right? So those who are sequentially following this series, they will be able to understand it easily. Okay, although I'll try my best to explain you the things here in the session itself, but for more convenience, it would be better if you walk through the previously released sessions. Clear? Okay, so I think now we are good to start with the session. Here you can see we have one heading with a h1, which is showing HTML by text Sharmit. Output is coming like this. Now we will put heading 2. Here we will write HTML canvas text alignment, and here we will set the property which is text align. Okay, so this is ready. Now you can see here. Okay, fine. Now we are talking about canvas, so let's draw some canvas. And remember one thing, like I'm going to speed up the things which we have already discussed, because there are lots of value that we wanted to discuss in this session. So the basic thing I'll cover in the quickly manner. Okay, so let me set the id would be canvas 1. Then we will set width would be maybe 500 pixels. It is up to you how you want to set. Then we will set the height would be 300 pixels. Then we will set the style. Here we will set border would be of 5 pixels solid black. Okay, then we will set it as black. All right, now you can save this and refresh it. So you can see there is one border of the, like there is one canvas with a border. Clear? Now to connect this with the script, we will write the script here to draw something on it, right? So I'll just simply write here where c equals to document dot get element by id. Remember one thing, not animation, it should be get element. Let me remove it. Dot get element by id. Here we will set canvas 1. Now you can save this where ctx equals c dot get context 2D. Okay, so now what will happen, like we have all those tools stored in this ctx that we can use in order to draw something as a 2D. Clear? Fine. Now to explain the thing in a proper way, what I will do, firstly I'll draw one vertical line so that I can show you how the things are moving on horizontal axis. Okay, so let me draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line. Okay, now here what we will do, we will write ctx dot stroke style. Again I'm repeating, if something is written in small letter, please write in small. If something is written in capital, please write in the same way, otherwise it won't work. Okay, here I'll write black. So after that we will set ctx dot line width line width would be of 2. Then we will begin the drawing. So ctx dot begin path. Here I'll set move to now. ctx dot move to. These all method we have already discussed, right? That's why I'm just writing it directly without explaining in detail. So you can see here we used move to. Now we will write ctx dot line to. Here I'll write 250 by 250, 250 and 250 xy value. All right. Okay. Now after that we will write here ctx dot stroke to draw the actual line, and ctx dot close path. Close path is mainly used to end the begin path. Okay. Let's save it and refresh the browser. So you can see there is one line. If you want to extend it to 300, you can change it to 300, save it and refresh it. Perfect. So we have one vertical line on which line this line will help us to easily identify the alignment movement. Clear? All right. Now what we will do, we will use the align method. So let me write here, not method, the property. So text align, ALIGN values. Here what we will do, ctx dot font equal 20 pixel Arial. Then we will set ctx dot fill style equal red. Clear? You can select any color, and post that we will use all those values. So I'll write ctx dot text align equal center. Then we will write ctx dot fill text. Here I'll write center, which this is the text which I want to print. Then 250 and 20 x and y value. Clear? Now you can save this and refresh your browser. So once you refresh your browser, I think something is wrong here. Yeah, capital C. Don't use capital C, okay? Otherwise it will not work. So let's small. Perfect. Now you can see this text is center aligned of this line. That's why I was using this line, so that I can show you the differences. Okay, so you can see this time it is center aligned. Likewise we have other values, so let's explore one by one, but please make sure that you are writing everything in a correct case, because this is case sensitive. JavaScript is case sensitive. So after center we will talk about start. So here I'll write start. Similarly here I'll also change the text start. Need to change the values, otherwise it would overlap the things. So I'll make it 50. Perfect. So this is start alignment. Similarly we have end. So let me change it to end. Let's make it as 80. Here we will write it as 80 end. Okay, but again case sensitivity is most important thing, because if you are not most important thing, so you can see this is end. Okay, likewise we have left and right. So let's see those two values also. Let me copy it from here, paste it here, save it here. This time I'll use left, so I'll simply put left. I think with 110 it would be perfect. So 110, and here I'll put left. Save it and refresh it. So left aligned. Similarly, if you want to align the things right side, so let's go, save it and make it as right. Okay, and then you can change the text here as well. So this is how you can change the things. Let me make 140. Perfect. So now you can see this is center aligned, this is start aligned, this is end aligned, this is left aligned, and this is right aligned. Okay, so likewise whenever there is a requirement to align the text horizontally, don't get confused. I'm using vertical line just to show you the reflection, just to show you the difference, just to show you the just to give you the clarity. Okay, but that doesn't mean that we are talking about vertical alignment. This is just a horizontal alignment. For vertical alignment, we will use what? We will use text baseline property, right? Today we are talking about text align property, which is for horizontal alignment. Clear? So yeah, that's all for today. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.